Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Subaru Forester key fob. This method is effective for many older models, allowing you to add new fobs or reprogram existing ones. Please note that some newer Subaru key fobs may require specialized equipment from a dealership or locksmith for programming. Always check your owner's manual for specific instructions for your vehicle. Before you begin, gather all the key fobs you wish to program, including any existing ones. Make sure you are seated in the driver's seat and all vehicle doors are securely closed. Your vehicle's ignition should be in the off position to start the process correctly. Having everything ready ensures a smooth programming experience. Now, insert your ignition key and quickly turn it from the off position to on and back to off 10 times within 15 seconds. Do this rapidly, ensuring the key reaches both positions each time. After the 10th cycle, you should hear a chime, confirming that your Subaru has entered programming mode. This sound is your cue to proceed. Once in programming mode, open and then close the driver's door one time. Next, press any button on the first key fob you want to program. You should hear a confirmation sound. Repeat this step for any additional key fobs. Finally, remove the key from the ignition and test all your newly programmed key fobs to ensure they function correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.